Good morning, dear friends. National GK, National Artificial Intelligence Portal of India called AI.gov.in has been launched by the Union Minister for Electronics and IT, Law and Justice and Communication, Ravi Shankar Prasad. Number 2. World Bank has approved a $500 million for strengthening teaching, learning and result for states program. Stars Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha and Rajasthan benefited. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana will be extended till the end of November. An extension to cost over rupees 90,000 crores. Government of India has launched a new initiative, Swadesh, Skilled Workers Arrival Database for employment support for Indian citizens returning from overseas under the Vande Bharat mission. National GK 5th point. Union Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Narendra Singh Tomar has launched Sakhar Mitra scheme on internship program SIPSIP, an initiative by National Cooperative Development Corporation NCDC. Number 6. India's first mobile lab for COVID-19 COVID testing is Infectious Disease Diag Lab iLab Rapid Response Mobile Laboratory. A behavior change campaign called Navigating the New Normal has been launched by the Niti Aayog in partnership with Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation BMGF near Ashoka University Center for Social and Behavioral Change CSBC and the Ministry of Health and Ministry of Women and Child Development. Number 8. West Bengal government has received a loan amount of rupees 1950 crore from the World Bank to tackle COVID-19 situation and development work in the state. Telangana government celebrates 2nd June as the Telangana Formation Day. 10th point. Uttarakhand Forest Department has developed India's first lichen park in Kumaun's Mansiari Pithogarh district. 11th. Gaira Sain is in Chamoli district has been formally declared as the summer capital of Uttarakhand. 12. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has launched Bal Shramik Vidya Yojana to educate child laborers in the state. 13. Odisha has become the first state in the country to receive ISO certificate for hostel meant for tribal students. Composite Regional Center CRC for skill development, rehabilitation and employment of persons with disabilities PWDs has been inaugurated in Ranchi, Jharkhand. Science and Technology. Number 1. A robot as Corobot has been developed by an engineer Pratik Tirodkar from the district of Maharashtra in order to reduce the physical contact of caregivers with COVID-19 patients. Second, IIT Bombay has created Indian beneficiary chip Dhruva. The chip can be utilized in cell phones and root gadgets to discover location and route inside the nation. NASA has announced that its headquarters in Washington DC will be named after Mary W. Jackson, one of its history-making engineers. Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO) has received a patent for its liquid cooling and heating garment (LCHG). LCHG is a protective garment for human space flights. Important days. World Health Organization (WHO) celebrates World No Tobacco Day every year on 31st May. World Environment Day is observed globally on 5th June every year. World Blood Donor Day is observed globally on June 14th every year. International Day for the Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict is observed globally on 19 June every year. United Nations celebrates International Day of Yoga on 21st June. The day is also celebrated as Music Day. International Day in support of victims of torture is observed on 26th June. International Windows Day is observed globally on 23rd June every year. Olympic Day is celebrated globally on 23rd June every year. International Asteroid Day is observed globally on 30th June every year. International Day of Parliamentarism is observed globally on 30th June every year. All round GK. So guys, you must subscribe my channel, you must share this video, and you must listen to my dictation carefully. Okay, so let's start. All round GK. Hyderabad is the capital city of Telangana. The official language of state is Telugu. Headquarters of WHO, Geneva, Switzerland. RBI 25th Governor Shaktikanta Das. India's Meteorological Department Headquarters, New Delhi. The tagline of IndusInd Bank, we make you feel rich. The headquarters of NASA, Washington DC, United States. SpaceX founder and CEO, Elon Musk. SpaceX President and COO, Gavin Shotwell. SpaceX founded 2002. SpaceX headquarters, Hawthorne, California, United States of America. National Informatics Center established 1988. So guys, that's all for today, and this is the end of this video. So you know what to do after this video. You must press the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of my video, and you must subscribe my channel, and you can also share this channel with your friends. More videos to be uploaded soon. So thank you and take care.